Diffio says, just a thought. You have a lot of pictures. You could feed them into the model and ask it to find value everywhere you can see it and count things. I swear I'm not obsessed with image input. That's hilarious. And you know what, Diffio? That's not a bad thought, because the the field adjuster asked for the same thing. They asked for pictures. We had a few, and I did provide them to her, but yeah, maybe she took them in. Her input algorithm, right? Her personal input algorithm wasn't very good. So to your point, yeah, maybe you would do that, right? Maybe you would say, "Here, what do you see?" Right? And then just kind of go from there, right? Oh, one last thing I want to add. This one also kills me to say, but my parents, since they're elderly, they have grandkids, and one of the bedrooms was kind of converted to a grandkids playroom, and they had bought this special carpet for that bedroom. The carpet was like a map of the United States, like a little cartoony map so the kids can play around and learn the states. But that carpet had to be custom made, right? Because it had a design on it, right? If you just have like a plain carpet, you can buy any size, right? It doesn't have to be custom made. You just give the dimensions and they just cut it for you. But when it's a design like a picture, you have to tell it, you have to tell them what the dimensions are, and then they'll make the carpet for you so that the picture looks good, right? According to the dimensions, right? So that was a custom made carpet, which as weird as that sounds. So I also want to include that. Okay, so let's run this. I think we're doing a reasonable job here. As far as describing something that gives, because remember, not perfection, good, right? I think this will give us a very good itemized list. So it looks like it's going out to finding all the data, construction costs, components, windows, doors. This is great. For ceramic floors, cost for carpets. This is great. So guys, let me know in the chat. Between the simple model and Diffio's model, I think we came up with a 1.4, 1.5 number. Now, it seems like that was a little bit on the high end for that zip code. What do you guys think? Are we going to be above or below that estimate? Because now you've also learned a lot more about the home by the items that I've added. What do you think? I mean, my gut tells me we're going to be pretty close in that range. I think ChatGPT is good enough to be consistent about that. But let me know. Diffio already says, I think it's going to go up. Maybe. That seems to be the likely scenario, right? Like, if you were to flip a coin on it, it's likely to go up, right? But we'll see. We'll see, right? Look at this. It's even showing us the code that it's going to be using. That's nice. So what do you guys think? Is it going to be higher or lower? You could also say it's probably going to be higher because it's doing a lot more research, right? Diffio says, I have no justification other than I want it to go up. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. But more detail, more accuracy, right? So now that it knows how much tile, how much wood it's going to need, yeah, I mean, going up seems to be the smarter bet, right? Okay, so it looks like it's coming up with a list here. All right, adjuster style line item worksheet, which is great, right? Because that's exactly what I want to turn around to the insurance company. Home-wise pricing, LA County labor rates, materials. Yeah, and for those who don't know, the home was in the greater Los Angeles County, LA County. I know we have people from overseas watching, so I want to make that clear. So yeah, this is from what I'm reading here, it sounds like it's the right elements that are being taken into place, right? So it's giving us all the sources, all the wall insulation, the totals for each line, siding, roofing, underlayment, windows, French door, hollow doors, drywall. This is great. Yeah, all the electrical stuff, two zones, two zone heating and air conditioner, white picket fence. I think that number's low. It might be more than 70 square feet or 70 linear feet. Rose bushes. Um, okay, that doesn't sound right. How did it come up with that when some of these numbers are so big? Something tells me the math is off there. That's weird. I think ChatGPT might have made a mistake in the math. Let me know if you'd like this delivered as a spreadsheet or a PDF, or if we should add kitchen cabinetry, electrical fixtures, demolition debris, or any other detail the adjuster may request. Um, that is a weird total to come up with, guys. Don't you guys think? Well, you know what? It's also missing its labor, right? There's no labor into account here. But I'm just eyeballing this column here, right? The column that has the itemized, or not the itemized, but the line total. I'm not sure that ChatGPT did the math correctly, right? Because in these three items alone, that's 31 plus 14. In these three items alone, it's like $50,000, right? Diffio says it's not taking the home into account as a complete structure. It's added up just the details you gave it. I don't even think it got those right. Yeah, Diffio, I think you're right. But you know what? We're still winning though because these numbers for the square foot estimate are still likely to be right because it has the citations for each one of these, right? So I think we're still on the right track there. Um, yeah, so every line cites an open source, cost page, or current retail pricing tying directly 911 into the zip code. That's exactly what we want, right? Because you want to go in there with an irrefutable argument, right? Um, Let me know if you'd like this delivered a format spreadsheet or a PDF. Okay, guys, so here, this is what we should do.